Welcome back to Food and Health. Today we're exploring 20 powerful, easy, and delicious breakfast ideas. Naturally strengthen your immune system. 1. Citrus fruit salad. Citrus fruits are loaded with the vitamin C, which helps your body fight infections naturally.
Starting your morning with a colorful citrus bowl instantly energizes and strengthens your immune response. 2. Greek yogurt bowl.
A yogurt bowl filled with berries and nuts supports a healthy gut, where most of your immunity begins.
3. Spinach omelette.
Spinach provides vitamin A, folate, and iron, nutrients your immune cells rely on. 4. Ginger turmeric tea with oats. Turmeric and ginger reduce inflammation and support stronger immunity.
Paired with warm oats, this breakfast keeps you full.
5. Avocado toast with seeds. Avocado delivers healthy fats that keep your immune system active and steady. Adding pumpkin or chia seeds boosts zinc. 6. Smoothie bowl. Blending berries, bananas, and spinach creates a nutrient-rich bowl packed with antioxidants. 7. Scrambled eggs with tomatoes. Tomatoes provide lycopene and vitamin C, both essential for immunity when cooked with eggs. This meal becomes a protein-rich. Chia seeds offer omega-3s and fiber that support gut health and digestion. 9. Dates and nuts energy plate. Dates and nuts provide natural energy and essential minerals like zinc and magnesium. 10. Green protein smoothie. A green smoothie made with spinach, banana, and protein powder strengthens your body from within. 11. Multigrain paratha with yogurt. Multigrain flour provides slow-releasing energy and essential nutrients. 12. Apple cinnamon oatmeal. Cinnamon has powerful antimicrobial effects that protect your body from infections. 13. Peanut butter banana toast. Peanut butter delivers protein and healthy fats that fuel your morning. Combined with potassium-rich banana, it supports immunity. 14. Vegetable upma. Vegetable upma is light, nutritious, and full of immune-supporting vegetables. It helps stabilize your energy. 15. Boiled eggs with lemon and pepper. Eggs provide complete protein that helps your immune cells grow and repair. A squeeze of lemon adds vitamin C. 16. Mango smoothie. Mangoes are rich in vitamins A and C, both essential for immunity. A creamy mango smoothie gives you a refreshing and antioxidant-rich start to your morning. 17. Mushroom toast. Mushrooms contain beta-glucans that activate your immune system naturally. 18. Overnight oats with fruits and nuts. Overnight oats are rich in fiber and help maintain a healthy digestive system. 19. Beetroot smoothie. Beetroot improves blood flow, helping immune cells move efficiently through your body. 20. Herbal tea with honey and lemon. Herbal tea with honey soothes your throat and supports antiviral activity. That's your list of 20 immune-boosting breakfast ideas. Try any of these to start your day strong and healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.